Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanel, the beautiful Bargainista. And if you are new here, thank you for joining my channel. Thank you for all the support. Thanks for watching this video. To all my ride or die, hey sis, hey. So a couple of weeks or months, a month ago, I posted my DIY garden bed using repurposed wood, really affordable. I think the whole project was, I'm sure, less than $50. For you, for me, it was probably like less than $25. Only thing I really paid for was the um, the bricks, and I'm going to show you guys the bricks. Those was $4 each. So yeah, real affordable. But I did tell you guys to stay tuned for part two, and that's what we're doing today. We are filling this bad boy up. Saw this post on Instagram said stop wasting your money filling in the dirt, because last year when I tried to fill in the dirt, I bought like 10 bags. So I spent like 70 or $100 just on dirt alone, and it still wasn't enough. So when I saw this post, I was like, yes, I'm definitely going to do it. You see Nala. That's what I want to do. I'm going to share the post right here. Really simple. And when I saw it, I was like, yes, that's going to save me a lot of money, time, and effort. So I did that, and that's what I'm doing. The first thing I did was to align it with some plastic, or they have the liner, the garden liners. You can find it at Dollar General. I've seen some at Dollar General. I also seen some at Home Depot. Any garden places, it's more like a mesh material. But I had these construction bags, and I was like, why not use it? They'll work just as well. And because I don't have a bottom, I put these down because I don't want the grass or weeds to pop through. So like I said, if you have a bottom, you can just skip to the second step, which will be putting logs down at the bottom. So that's the second step. We're going to put those logs in here. Okay, so I got the wood pieces laid down on top of the plastic. I didn't use logs like the video. I figured this would be good enough because mine is not that deep as hers was on the video. So we're going to do part three next on this. I just want to show you guys a close-up of what it looks like once it um, was laid down. So we got dry leaves in the third step. And you see how much it filled it up already, that we didn't even add the dirt yet. So when you're planting, you only go probably the most is a foot. But most plants, as they say, 4 to 6 inches, so you don't have to use that much dirt. So this is saving me so much money. Okay, so this is the soil that I used last year, and you can see it's still not enough, but it's way fuller than what I wanted it to be. And if I hadn't put the wood and the leaves down, it would have been way lower. So this is step 4, and we're going to finish with some compost, more topsoil, and then we can begin planting.